In Dimension, you can add an image as a background to your 3D scene. You can use one of the images included with Dimension, or you can browse Adobe Stock to find that perfect background for your project. Of course, you can always use your own image. To add an image as a background, click on it from the Starter Assets panel, or drag and drop images from your desktop or Photoshop. The Match Image option appears automatically. From here, you can decide to resize the canvas to match the image and its aspect ratio, create an environment light, match sunlight, and match the camera perspective for a full match to the background. After using Match Image, you can continue to refine your lighting by turning the lights on or off, changing the intensity, cloudiness, height, and rotation of the light. You can also adjust the perspective further by using the Horizon tool. You can always go back to the original values of the Match Image settings by clicking on the Match Image button again. Use the Render window to see how your lighting will look after the final render. Thanks for checking out this video, and we can't wait to see what you make.